Welcome to our YouTube channel, Business Analyst, the Storyteller. Hello my future business analysts. I have watched countless videos on how to become a business analyst, but most left me more confused than clear. Business analyst, business intelligence, business analytics, process analyst. All jumbled together. No real roadmap. No clear path. Back when I was starting out, trying to break into this field, there was no clear path, no helpful guide. Even with an engineering background, this whole business analyst thing felt like a well-kept secret. I had to learn everything the hard way, through years of real-world experience consulting with some of the biggest companies out there. Currently I am working as business consultant with Fortune 500 companies for last 15 years. But you know what? I wouldn't want you to go through that same frustrating journey. That's why I created this channel, Business Analyst, the Storyteller. Think of this as the roadmap I desperately wish I had when I was starting. In this video, we're going to cut through the noise. I'll break down the different flavors of BA roles out there, help you figure out the best path for your unique background, give you the inside scoop on salaries, and reveal the real skills that are going to matter in the coming year. Now, I'm not here to sell you some magic beans or a get-rich-quick scheme. My goal is simple: to help you navigate this journey with clarity and confidence. And since this channel is all about the storyteller, we're going to learn through powerful, relatable stories that will make these concepts stick in your mind, for good. Stick with me until the very end of this video. I promise you, it's going to completely change the way you see the path to becoming a business analyst. Let's get started. Alright, before we even think about roadmaps and future plans, let's nail down the absolute foundation. What exactly is business analysis? It's a question that might seem simple, but understanding the core concept is crucial for everyone, whether you're just curious or seriously considering this career path. So, let's break it down in a way that's crystal clear. Stick around, because this is where our journey truly begins. The term business analysis has two key aspects: business, which focuses on the what, that is the needs and goals of a company; analysis, which focuses on the why, that is understanding the reasoning and solutions behind those needs. Business is all about offering either product or service to meet a customer need. Analysis, on the other hand, is to know the problem, investigating the real issue, finding right opportunity/solution for business and stakeholder. Alright, now that we've got a solid understanding of what business analysis is, let's dive into the exciting part, the different kinds of business analyst roles you'll find out there. This is where your journey really starts to take shape. Think of it like exploring different paths on a map. Depending on your background, what truly interests you, and where your strengths lie, one of these roles is likely going to be the perfect fit. So, let's explore these different avenues and see which one sparks your interest. Business analysts play different roles based on their specialization and responsibilities. Here are the three key types in the software industry. Functional Business Analyst, FBA. Specializes in specific business functions, e.g. finance, HR, healthcare, retail. Works closely with business stakeholders to understand domain-specific needs. Often referred to as a subject matter expert, SME. Example, a business analyst working in a banking system to improve loan processing workflows or KYC process. Business Intelligence or Data Analyst - focuses on data analysis, reporting, and business intelligence. Creates dashboards, reports, and data visualizations for decision-making. Works with SQL, data warehouses, and analytics tools. Example, analyzing customer purchase patterns to improve e-commerce sales. Technical, IT Business Analyst. Acts as a bridge between business and technical teams. Translates business needs into software requirements. Prepares business requirement documents for implementing the solution. Example, gathering requirements for a mobile banking app and working with developers to ensure proper implementation. Now, let's talk about something that can sometimes be a little confusing when you're exploring the world of IT business analysis: job titles. You might see a whole range of them, Business Process Analyst, Agile Business Analyst, Product Owner/Analyst, Business System Analyst, UI/UX Business Analyst. It can feel like a whole new language. But here's the key thing to remember: while the names might differ, the fundamental role and the core responsibilities of a technical business analyst often remain surprisingly consistent across these titles. Think of it like different names for the same essential job. So, don't let the variety of titles overwhelm you. In this next section, we'll break down some of these common variations and show you how they all connect back to the core purpose of an IT business analyst. Let's clear up the confusion. Here are some common variations. 1. Business Process Analyst focuses on optimizing business processes, ensuring efficiency, and aligning software solutions with business workflows. 2. Agile Business Analyst works in agile teams, collaborating with stakeholders to refine user stories, prioritize backlogs, and ensure continuous product improvement. 3. Product Owner/Analyst acts as a bridge between business and development, defining product vision, gathering requirements, and ensuring the final product meets business needs. 4. Business System Analyst works more closely with technical teams, mapping business needs into system functionality, often involved in system design and integrations. 5. UI/UX Business Analyst specializes in user experience and interface design, ensuring business requirements align with a user-friendly interface and customer needs. Alright, so we've mapped out the different types of business analyst roles you might encounter. Now, let's take a look at the career ladder itself. What are the different levels and designations you can expect as you grow in this field, from your very first step all the way up to leadership positions? In this chapter, we'll break down the typical career progression for a business analyst, outlining the common roles you'll see in the industry. And, of course, because it's a key consideration for everyone, we'll also discuss the average salary ranges associated with each level, along with the typical number of years of experience you might need to reach them. However, it's absolutely vital to remember that these are just averages and guidelines. Your actual salary can fluctuate significantly based on a multitude of factors. These include the size and type of the company you work for, its geographical location. Remember, salaries can differ greatly between cities and regions, the specific experience and skills the role demands, your individual ability to negotiate your compensation package with HR, and the overall value you bring to the organization. Entry levels business analyst roles. 0 to 3 years of experience required. For those new to the field, entry-level business analyst roles provide a foundation for understanding the essentials of business analysis. Job titles: Junior Business Analyst, Associate Business Analyst. Salary range 5 to 8 LPA. Mid-level business analyst roles. 3 to 6 years experience end. In mid-level roles, business analysts actively participate in requirements gathering sessions, analyze complex business problems, and propose solutions. They create detailed requirement specifications, collaborate with development teams, and play a pivotal role in bridging the gap between stakeholders and technical teams. Job titles: Business Analyst. Salary range 8 to 12 LPA. Senior level business analyst roles. 6 to 9 years of experience end. Senior BA positions supervise complex projects, develop business plans, and train junior analysts. They leverage influence across all levels of the business, from executives to end users who share valuable insights for business growth. Work with cross-functional partners and execute deep market research and data analysis. Job titles: Senior Business Analyst, Lead Analyst. Salary range 12 to 18 LPA. Lead or Principal Business Analyst roles. 9 to 12 years of experience end. Lead or Principal Business Analysts are seasoned professionals who direct projects, ensure quality, and provide expert guidance. These analysts take ownership of critical projects, oversee the entire project lifecycle, define best practices, maintain deliverable quality, and provide expert guidance. They lead in-depth requirement gathering, design comprehensive solutions, and maintain alignment between business goals and project outcomes. Job titles: Lead Business Analyst, Principal Analyst. Salary range 18 to 25 LPA. Mid-management business level roles. 12 to 15 years of experience. Business analysis managers or product owner, the oversight of analysts for the department and drive departmental strategies. They ensure the projects get executed successfully. They are responsible for leading a team of business analysts, defining performance metrics, and developing standards for documentation and analysis. Job titles: Business Analyst, Manager, Product Owner. Salary range 25 to 35 LPA. Okay, so you're curious about becoming a technical or IT business analyst, or maybe you're thinking about switching your career to this field. Awesome! You're in the right spot. This next part is like a simple guide, a step-by-step plan to help you become an IT business analyst. Whether you just finished studying or you want to change your job, this plan has 5 easy steps to learn what you need. We'll talk about what you need to know and in what order, so you can feel confident about becoming an IT business analyst. So, if you're ready to see the simple steps to start this interesting career, let's get into the plan. Here are the 5 phases of IT or Technical Business Analyst Roadmap, how to become a successful IT business analyst. Phase 1, Foundation, understand the role, learn basic concepts of IT project management, start with core BA skills, as per IIBA guideline. Phase 2, Business analysis tools and techniques, BA documentation skills, learn technical tools. Phase 3, learn analytical and soft skills. Phase 4, practice and real-world application, practice with scenarios, collaborate, certifications, optional but helpful. Phase 5, resume and job preparation, build a BA-focused resume, prepare for interviews, portfolio, if possible, showcase your work. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground in this learning journey. From understanding the core of what business analysis is, to exploring the different types of roles, and even mapping out the exciting career path ahead of you. I truly hope this has brought clarity and given you a solid foundation to build upon. Remember, becoming a successful business analyst is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, dedication, and a continuous desire to learn and grow. But with the right understanding and the right roadmap, you're already well on your way. I'd love to hear about your thoughts and any questions you might still have. So, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going and help each other on this path. If you found this learning helpful, let me know if you'd like to dive deeper into the world of business analysis, exploring each phase step by step and understanding exactly how to get started on this exciting journey. I'm here to guide you through the process in detail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights and guidance on your business analyst journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'm excited to see where your business analyst story takes you.